Hey, Miss English Mathematicians, coming to you with another video. Please put your name on this paper because there is nowhere to put name on the paper. So please put name. Put your name on the paper, whatever your name is. Don't write name, write your name. Anyway, and write your period. All right, as you can see, this worksheet looks just very similar to the one that we just did. However, there are some variables, which are letters that represent a number, and there are some shapes that have numbers in them. So the difference between this one is we're actually going to learn how to write equations from these shapes. So how many x's do you see? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 x's equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6 1. So this is our equation. 3x equals 6. And to remember all of our equations are balanced. We want to keep them balanced, but we want to figure out what 1x equals. We want to isolate this variable. Isolate means to get it by itself, kind of like an island. An island is all by itself. It is isolated. So we're going to isolate this variable by dividing, just like we did in the last video. We have 3 x's, so we're going to divide them into 3 different groups. And once we do that, we find out that 1x is equal to 2 1s. Now let's put it in words. I divided both sides into 3 groups, and 1x is equal to 2 1s. We also want to write it here. 1x is equal to, you can either draw the picture, 2 1s, or you can write the number 2. The most important part of this is to be able to look at the equation from the model, which is 3 x's equals 6, and to be able to check that equation. So we want to go back to the equation. We're going to write 3 and x, but instead of x, we found out that x equals 2. So, and when the 3 is next to the x, that means multiplication. So we're going to multiply 3 times 2, and we get 6. And does that match? Yes, it does. So that means that we did it correctly. Let's look at this one over here, and then I'm going to leave you to do the packet on your own. But please remember that you have to draw the pictures on the other ones. But let's look at this one. I have 1x and 4 1s, and that's going to equal 7 1s. I have my equation here. So now you can solve from here because you know what to do. I'll do one more for you. One more for you. With these, you have to draw the shape yourself. I would assume draw a shape you can draw, like a square and a circle. Don't be trying to draw a star and something you can't draw. So we have 3 x's, so I'm going to use squares to draw x's, and I have 3 of them. Then I have 12 over here, so I'm just going to draw 12 circles. And I'm going to put 1s in them. And from there, you know how to solve this because we've been doing it. You also have to write in your explanation, write what your x equals, and check your answer. So please do this for the entire packet. If you need some help, please ask. Just remember, use shapes that you know. 5 x's, then draw 5 squares. Don't try to draw something crazy that you know you can't draw. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.